Welcome back to the Terror without some Tales of 5 up there. And today we have a little announcement video to cover up for you, so we're gonna do that. I am going camping for the weekend. I'm gonna be back on Sunday, so fingers crossed. I hope to catch 581 in Clinton on Saturday because I go to Exeter on Saturdays, but fingers crossed I catch him out there. But so anybody who is a rail fan in Clinton, or like that rail fan in the Clinton area and knows what time 501 should be in Clinton and around like any, just approximately, let me know in the comments below. Anyway, with that out of the way, you can see where I'm pointing down there two premiere videos. And what is a premiere, by the way? Premiering is like you get to see the video go up live. Like, it's kind of like a live stream in the way, but I'm not even live streaming. You can put stuff on the chat as well if you want to go in the live chat and all that. Anyway, I posted two of them down there. Yeah, two of them. There's one of the Amtrak ACS 64 and one of the CSX GB38-2. Obviously, nothing has happened yet, but I did post links in the description below if you want to hit notifications for those premieres. Like, you can set notification reminders for when the premieres will go up. There'll be one that come up for you for 30 minutes, and one will come up when the premiere begins. So keep in mind of that, and thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for the channel and for the premieres, and I'll see you on the next one. Hit the notification for the premieres as the links are in the description below. See you all next video. Goodbye.